Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to apply for vehicle fitness certificate in Bihar. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you can scroll down. So under informational services, you have to choose e-citizen guide and then click on a more button. Now you have to click on the step-by-step procedure. A new PDF page will be open. So on the PDF page where the process for applying will be explained clearly. To complete the application, please follow the steps. Then there are the required documents and then office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be uploaded for this process. Then in fee section for more fee details, please use this links. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us. So we'll get back to you as soon as possible and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos.